OK. Look at me. Free flow regulator. First, remove the regulator from your mouth. Tilt your head to the right side. Keep your tongue in the middle of your lips. Press the purge button to simulate a free flow regulator. Place the regulator into your mouth, keeping the mouthpiece's left side out. Keep calm and breathe. When you are done, remove the regulator from your mouth. Release your finger from the purge button. Replace the regulator back into your mouth. Push the purge button. Back to normal breathe. All is done.